Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to unblock an email address in Gmail. So perhaps you've blocked a sender at one point or another and you want to unblock the email address or at least not send it to spam or the trash bin anymore. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Gmail and select the gear icon up at the top right. So go ahead and left click on that. And underneath Quick Settings, you want to select See All Settings. Select the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. And then underneath where it says the following email addresses are blocked, messages from these addresses will appear in spam. You just would go ahead and select them from the list here, and then unblock selected addresses should be an available option. You would select that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.